quadrilateral chapter. See this again, one point remain. Polygons. Polygon. What is mean by polygon? A closed plane figure bounded by three or more line segments that terminate in pairs at the same number of these vertices and do not intersect other than at their vertices is called as a polygon. Polygon is a closed plane figure and it is obtained by three or more these line segments that terminate in the pairs of these vertices and intersect and do not intersect other at their vertices is called as a polygon. Then see in your textbook, this page number 84, you must have seen here 5 petal flowers of Tagar, Kunda or this Sadafuli. Then draw a picture of one of those flowers, join these tips of these petals one by one, and what is the figure you get here? The closed figure obtained in the way by joining here 5 points by these 5 line segments is called as a pentagon. It is this figure of this pentagon. Pentagon, this closed figure, and it is obtained in this by this joining here 5 points. You see here how many points here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points by these 5 line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is called as a pentagon. Then first one, pentagon. Pentagon means here this 5 sides joining of these 5 points by these 5 line segments. And second one, hexagon. Hexagon. Hexagon means by joining here 6 points by here 6 line segments and is called a hexagon. Then third one, heptagon. Heptagon. Heptagon, here by joining these 7 points by these 7 line segments and is called as a heptagon. Then next one is octagon. Octagon. Octagon means here by joining these 8 points. By joining 8 points by these 8 line segments is called as a octagon. Then see this. Write the names of these vertices of this pentagon. See this picture and you write the names of these vertices of this pentagon means point A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E. Then name the sides of this pentagon. Then you write the sides of this pentagon. Side AB, side BC, side CD, side DE and side AE. Means here 5 sides. How many sides here? 5 sides in pentagon. Then third one question, name the angles of this pentagon. Which angles here? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E. Means how many angles in pentagon? 5 angles. Penta means 5. Then triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons and other closed figures with more than 5 sides are called as a polygons. These triangles, quadrilateral, pentagons and other closed figure, this with more than 5 sides is called as a is called as a polygon. Then see in your textbook page number 85, practice set 37. Observe the figures below and find out their names. First one figure, you see this. How many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means pentagon. Then you write here answer pentagon and in bracket you write here with 5 sides. How many sides here? 5 sides. Then second one, see here how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides means which figure here? Hexagon. Then third one, see how many sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides means here heptagon. Then in front of you write answer this heptagon. Then fourth one, see here how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides means you write in front of answer this octagon. Then next one is practice set 38. First one question is given. Draw this quadrilateral XYZW and name the following. You draw here this quadrilateral XYZW and write these answers. X, Y, Z and W. Then first one question, see the pairs of these opposite angles. First, practice set 38. First one question. Draw a quadrilateral XYZW and answer the following questions about it. First one, name the pairs of opposite angles. Name the pairs of opposite angles. You write here opposite angles of these pairs. Angle W opposite this angle Y and X opposite this angle Z. Then you write firstly X W Z, angle X W Z and angle opposite this Y means X Y Z. Write this pair, first one. Then second pair, this X opposite Z means you take here W X Y, angle W X Y and angle which angle Z means Y Z W. Y Z W means here pairs of these opposite angles, only two pairs of these opposite angles. Then second one, the pairs of opposite sides. Second question, the pairs of opposite sides. Opposite sides. Opposite sides also only two pairs. First one pair opposite side WX ZY. Right here side WX and ZY. Second pair, see side, which side? WZ XY. WZ and XY. XY means opposite angles only two pairs and opposite sides also two pairs. Then again some questions here. Then this remaining part tomorrow.